Ever wondered how you could turn your hobby or skill into a profitable business? With the right tools, you can start making money right from your home. Amazon offers a plethora of business machines that can help you transform your ideas into income-generating ventures. In this video, we will explore 12 business machines that you can buy on Amazon to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. From 3D printers to automatic car wash systems, these machines can help you create, innovate, and earn. Let's dive in. 1. 3D printers. 3D printers have revolutionized the way we approach manufacturing and creativity. These machines allow you to transform digital designs into tangible objects, making them ideal for producing custom products, prototypes, and even intricate models. By investing in a 3D printer, you can start offering services to hobbyists, designers, and engineers who need unique and personalized items. The applications are vast, including creating custom jewelry, figurines, and even functional parts for various industries. With a 3D printer, you can cater to a niche market that values customization and innovation, turning your creativity into a profitable business. 2. Laser engravers. Laser engravers are powerful tools that can etch designs onto various materials such as wood, metal, glass, and plastic. This versatility makes them perfect for creating personalized gifts, custom signage, and promotional items. By starting a laser engraving business, you can offer unique, high-quality products that stand out in a crowded market. Whether it's customized wedding gifts, corporate awards, or branded merchandise, the precision and detail that laser engravers provide are unmatched. This allows you to cater to both individual clients looking for special keepsakes and businesses seeking distinctive branding solutions. 3. Vinyl cutters. Vinyl cutters are essential for anyone looking to create custom decals, stickers, and signs. These machines use precision cutting to shape designs from vinyl sheets, which can then be applied to a variety of surfaces, including walls, windows, and vehicles. With a vinyl cutter, you can tap into the growing demand for personalized and branded items, offering services to both businesses and individuals. From custom vehicle graphics to unique home decor, the possibilities are endless. Starting a vinyl cutting business allows you to provide tailor-made solutions that cater to specific client needs, ensuring a steady stream of income. 4. Embroidery machines. Embroidery machines bring a professional touch to creating custom apparel and branded merchandise. These machines can stitch intricate designs and logos onto fabrics, making them ideal for businesses looking to offer personalized clothing, accessories, or corporate gifts. By investing in an embroidery machine, you can start a business that provides high-quality customized products. This can range from monogrammed towels and hats to branded uniforms and promotional items. The ability to produce unique and professional-looking items will help you attract a wide range of customers, from individual consumers to corporate clients. 5. Heat press machines. Heat press machines are used to transfer designs onto various items, such as t-shirts, mugs, and hats. This makes them perfect for creating custom apparel and promotional products. By starting a heat press business, you can offer personalized items for events, businesses, and individuals. Whether it's custom t-shirts for a sports team or branded mugs for a corporate event, the ability to produce unique products quickly and efficiently can set you apart in a competitive market. The low startup cost and high demand for custom items make heat press machines a profitable investment. 6. CNC machines. CNC, computer numerical control, machines are used for precise cutting, milling, and drilling of materials like wood, metal, and plastic. These machines are essential for creating custom furniture, parts, and detailed art pieces. By starting a business with a CNC machine, you can offer bespoke products that cater to niche markets. This could include custom furniture for home decor, intricate metal parts for industrial use, or unique art pieces for collectors. The precision and versatility of CNC machines allow you to produce high-quality items that meet specific customer needs, ensuring a profitable. 7. Coffee vending machines. Coffee vending machines can be a lucrative business opportunity, especially in high-traffic areas like offices, schools, and public spaces. By installing and maintaining these machines, you can generate a steady stream of income from customers looking for a convenient caffeine fix. The low maintenance and high demand make this an attractive option for aspiring entrepreneurs. With the ability to offer a variety of coffee options, you can cater to different tastes and preferences, ensuring a broad customer base. Setting up coffee vending machines in strategic locations can provide a consistent and reliable source of revenue. 8. Photo booths. Photo booths are a hit at events like weddings, parties, and corporate functions. By investing in a photo booth, you can offer rental services for these events. providing guests with a fun and memorable experience. Photo booths often come with customizable backdrops and props, allowing you to cater to different themes and occasions. This ensures a unique experience for each client and creates lasting memories for their guests. Starting a photo booth rental business can be highly profitable, as there is a constant demand for entertainment at events, and the ability to offer personalized services sets you apart. 9. Drones. Drones offer various business opportunities, from aerial photography and videography to inspections and surveying. By offering drone services, you can cater to real estate agents, construction companies, and event organizers, providing them with stunning aerial footage and valuable insights. Drones are particularly useful for capturing unique perspectives and high-quality images that are difficult to achieve with traditional methods. Starting a drone business allows you to offer specialized services that are in high demand, especially as more industries recognize the value of aerial data and imagery. 10. Digital sewing machines. Digital sewing machines offer advanced features like automated stitching and embroidery patterns, making them ideal for fashion designers and sewing enthusiasts. By starting a business with a digital sewing machine, you can offer custom clothing, alterations, and unique fashion pieces. The precision and versatility of these machines allow you to create high-quality garments that stand out in the market. Whether it's designing custom dresses, offering repair services, or creating bespoke fashion items, a digital sewing machine can help you tap into the lucrative fashion industry. 11. Electric bike rental stations. With the growing popularity of electric bikes, setting up rental stations can be a profitable venture. By providing electric bikes for rent in urban areas or tourist spots, you can cater to commuters and tourists looking for an eco-friendly and convenient mode of transportation. This business model offers a sustainable and profitable way to tap into the rising demand for alternative transportation options. By strategically placing rental stations in high-traffic areas, you can ensure a steady stream of customers and generate consistent revenue. 12. Automatic car wash systems. Automatic car wash systems offer a convenient solution for car owners looking to keep their vehicles clean without the hassle of doing it themselves. By investing in an automatic car wash system, you can set up a self-service car wash business, offering quick and efficient cleaning services. This business requires minimal supervision and can generate a steady stream of income, especially in areas with high vehicle traffic. The convenience and efficiency of automatic car washes make them a popular choice among car owners, ensuring a consistent customer base. Investing in business machines can be a smart way to create additional income streams and explore new entrepreneurial opportunities. From 3D printers to automatic car wash systems, the machines listed above offer various ways to turn your skills and ideas into profitable ventures. By leveraging the convenience of Amazon, you can easily purchase these machines and start your journey towards financial independence and business success. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Quick Value TV. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates.